Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock your Iqoo and open settings, then tap battery. This moves you directly where charging behavior is controlled. Once in battery, look for a charging or more charging settings entry. Some firmware labels vary. You must access that subpage to reach the only toggle that disables fast charging. Make sure to proceed without delay. Having the phone plugged in or unplugged both work, but keep your original cable handy. You now find the actual control. On the charging page, look for a fast charging or super fast charge toggle and switch it off. Once done, confirm any dialog that appears. This applies immediately. If you do not see the option, plug the charger in. Many Iqoo builds reveal the setting only when charging is detected. Make sure to wait a second for the UI to refresh and do not reboot yet. Changes usually take effect instantly. To finish, verify the change. Unplug and replug the charger and watch the charging indicator. Slower M or no fast badge confirms success. If the toggle was missing earlier, enable developer options and recheck the battery page. Some builds hide advanced toggles until developer mode is active. If the state still won't change, restart the phone and test with the stock charger. One tip: if nothing works, try a different cable and confirm the adapter isn't enforcing fast charge externally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.